We are in the heart of Italy, Umbria, a land of soft hills, ancient traditions, and timeless silence. And here, as if resting gently on the slopes of Mount Subasio, lies Assisi, a city suspended between earth and sky. Then, the Basilica of Saint Francis, majestic, serene, eternal. Built in the 13th century, just after the saint's death, it became a beacon for pilgrims and artists alike. The lower church invites contemplation. The upper church soars with light. Together, they tell a story, not only of faith, but of human genius. From above, Assisi reveals itself slowly, like a manuscript written in stone. The rooftops, the towers, the winding alleys. Every corner holds a memory, every wall a whisper of history. And in the heart of the city, Piazza del Comune, a square where centuries meet in perfect balance. On one side, the Temple of Minerva, a Roman temple from the 1st century BC, transformed into a church, its Corinthian columns still standing tall. Even today, life continues here. We climb gently uphill, stone after stone, step after step, until the outline of a Romanesque facade appears, powerful and serene. The Cathedral of San Rufino, simple, strong, essential. It was here that Francis and Clare were baptized. The baptismal font still stands, touched by time and reverence. This is where the story of two lives began. Lives that would change the world. Above it all, the Rocca Maggiore, a fortress that has guarded the valley for over 8 centuries. It watched over legions, pilgrims, and dreamers. From its ramparts, the land opens wide. A sea of olive trees, fields, and distant hills, a view unchanged by time. Now, we rise. The drone glides above Assisi's rooftops, cloisters, domes, a flight over beauty and memory. The city reveals its unity, its sacred spaces, its ancient streets, its harmony with the land. Assisi is not just a collection of buildings. It is a presence, a breath of stone and spirit. As the sun sets, bathing the city in golden light, we are reminded of something simple and profound. That beauty, when born of harmony and love, can last not just for centuries, but forever.